Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn about a super cool artist from Netherlands named Jan Schoonhoven. Jan was known for making amazing art using just white paper. He would fold, cut, and shape paper into awesome 3D designs. Today we will create in Jan's white reliefs style using just white paint and corrugated paper. This kind of art is sold for hundreds of thousands of euros now. It'll be okay to sell mine for a bit less. Cut the corrugated cardboard. Use the scissors or a craft knife to cut out any shapes you want. When cutting, make sure to cut through the top layer of the cardboard, the smooth side, and leave the inner wavy part exposed. This is the corrugated part that gives the texture. Take your shapes and make a layout, arranging pieces on the paper the way you like. Don't worry about being perfect. Part of Schoonhoven's appeal is the simplicity and the beauty of texture. Once you're happy with the layout, glue each piece down. Use a generous amount of glue, but be careful not to make a mess. Layer some pieces on top of others to give the art more depth. Once everything is glued down, let it dry completely before moving on to the next step. After everything has dried, it's time to paint. Jan Schoonhoven's works were known for being all white, so use white paint to cover the whole pieces. Apply the paint carefully, making sure to cover all of the cardboard, especially the rough edges where the texture is. You can use a brush for more control or spray paint for a smoother finish. It is time to enjoy artwork, playing with light and shadow. The art is all white, but see cool shapes and textures? The way the light hit this art made it come alive with textures and patterns.